get crazy on that dance floor. Dance floor, on that dance floor. Get crazy on that dance floor.
Dance the night away, we need tonight. Dance the night away. Just lose control, baby, and don't think twice.
What's up? Is this camera right? Is this camera good? Alright, what's up you guys? I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. Let's just say that. Oh, and check out the hair. It's blue and black. It's like a bluish, I can't explain it's blue. It's like a creepy blue. It's weird. But anyway, okay, that's out the way. That wasn't part of what I was coming here to talk about. Let's talk about, first and foremost, people. Why do people feel, and also, let's get this out of the way as well. If I'm talking weird, my whole mouth, lips, and everything feel numb because I have some medicine in my mouth. Just to let you guys know in advance, I'm not supposed to eat or be near red sauce, but I always be near it. I love pizza, I love sauces, like with pastas. It messes with my mouth, and it caused me to have canker sores. If you guys do not know what canker sores are, look it up, or I'll post a link. But it's really not good for my mouth because it affects my gums, and it's just a fucking mess in my mouth right now. So anyway, I'm just warning you before I talk crazy or before it sounds like I'm talking crazy. Like the slurring. But anything, people are interested. Let me tell you something. You know what I'm saying? Those people out there, those people. Your opinion do not matter to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, and the reason why I say your opinion don't matter is because if I do the same thing consistently, I do or act the same way consistently, and there is no change, it's still the same thing. You should think in your head, you can't change me. You should think in your head, whatever I'm saying, it can't change what I'm doing. You get what I'm saying? Like, why do people feel like they can comment on what you're doing or who you are or what you like to do, and then all of a sudden change the whole game up? No, it should change you up. What should change is you judging me or you trying to tell me what I should do. People need to stop doing that. Like, it don't change anything. It actually makes it worse. It makes me not want to be your friend. It makes me not want to get to know you. And it makes me not want to be around you. Because if every time I come around you, you're always questioning or picking at what I'm doing or who I am and just not accepting me for the different person that I am, it's an issue. It's really an issue when you're insecure with yourself. And I notice it. And I know that you need a confirmation from other people just to feel any way of somewhat good about yourself. I'm not that type of person. I can walk in the room and everybody look down on me, but I'm looking up and I'm looking across. I'm looking for the table. I'm looking for the seat. I'm not looking for a confirmation. I don't look for people to say, oh, I like your hair, or I like your music. I don't look for people to do that. Nobody has ever gave me those type of compliments, and if they did, I don't take them serious. Because when people do that, they're feeding you something that you want. I don't kiss nobody's behind. So I don't expect people to kiss my behind. I don't expect everybody to like what I do. But one thing you will not do is judge me or push me to the point where I have to change nearly just so I can be accepting around you, or just so it can be kind of cool. No, it needs to be like this. You know what I'm saying? Because your hair like this, so I need to be like this. Like, who are you to talk about somebody, you know what I'm saying, with them naps in the back? Who are you to talk about somebody but you losing it here? You know what I'm saying? Don't talk about somebody. Stop. I don't get why people do that. You don't have to encourage someone every time you see them, but if you don't have really nothing that's gonna help them, don't say anything at all. If it's something that you feel could help them out as far as a health issue or something, then you may consider in a nice way, in a respectful way, in a genuine way. But if you're saying they're just trying to pick at someone, you need to look at yourself in the mirror, because it seems like to me that foundation does not fit your skin. Seems like to me, buddy boy, you need a haircut. Seems like to me you have some naps in the back. You need to perm that. Seems to me you need a couple of more tracks instead of one. Like, this is the thing. This is the stuff that just makes me laugh. How people would sit and try to talk about someone and they look a fool. Why is it the people that look a fool always got something to say? It's never the good-looking ones that got something to say about another good-looking one. It's always the ones that look like dirt bags walking around here looking a fool and just atrocious, just crazy, insane. Like, did you really think about that when you walked out the house, what you were wearing? Like, did you really think, you know what I'm saying, your skin was moist when it's all dry? You know what I'm saying? Did you really think twice? I don't think you did. I think what you did is stepped out the house and wanted to know what Joseph was going to wear, what color Joseph's hair was going to be, when you really need to focus on you. You have so many flaws. We have so many flaws in life. And there's no reason for us to be picking and dabbing at everybody about what they got on, Now, let's just say, on YouTube, it's for entertainment. If I come on this channel and I do videos where I'm venting out about what happened to me and I'm making jokes about someone in the situation, you know what that's about. But you know what it's about when you go to your job, or you go to an on-site location, or you go on a photo shoot, or you're doing something in your career where people are always saying something negative about you. Those type of people do not need to be around you. Those type of people need to be alone to themselves and look at themselves for a minute. You don't have no reason to tell me what not to do or what to do. Who are you? Are you the stop sign? Are you the go button? Because I mean, what gives people the courage to tell you what you should and shouldn't do? Of course, if you're a friend, you have a lane, you know what I'm saying, where you can tell somebody or that friend what to do. But if you're a nobody, if you are on the street and I'm in my house and you telling me when to put my lights up, you're doing too much. People are doing too much, and the only reason why they're doing that is because we're letting them do that. So I'm gonna say this. From now on, I'm not taking no more. I'm not laughing. No, I'm not doing that. You know what I'm saying? Because this is not that type of situation. Because at this point, you're trying to insult me. And at this point, you're trying to make me feel insecure that same way that you're feeling. You're not going to make me feel insecure about who I am. Because at the end of the day, Joseph, Derek, Flo Nari, Joe Work Joe, Flop Joe, whatever you want to call it, is going to be him regardless. There is no one but God, Jesus, Heavenly Father, that can change who I am. And if you don't accept the little things that I'm showing you here on this earth, me and you ain't cool. Simple as that. I don't need your confirmation to feel good. I don't need your check mark to get to go. I don't need it. So why are you giving it? Now that's out the way. My singles will be dropping on December the 17th, alright, on iTunes. Get Crazy is a single that will be dropping along with Curious. These are two different records, a double release, that is what it's called. You're getting a pop dance record and you're also getting an R&B slow jam record. These are records from a new project that I'm doing. If you have been lost but found, I need you to pick up this album. Joe Work the Mirror is on iTunes, on Amazon, on CD Baby, wherever you want to go online music. Joe Work the Mirror is my debut album that came out earlier this year, April the 15th. Alright? Go get it. It's 16 tracks. It's 3 music videos. And you need to check it out. But as I said, the future is 2 new singles that is coming out that's not on this album, and it's from a new upcoming project. So if you are interested and want to know how my music is and how it goes, you're going to go to Amazon, iTunes, and type Joe Work the Mirror, or you're going to wait, pause, and wait on December the 17th to check out Get Crazy and Curious. So excited about these records, so excited about recording new music, and it's motivational because all the things that I've experienced, all the things that I've seen, all the things that I've heard will be written for this upcoming album. So I'm very excited about it. I shoot a video next month in December. And I also shoot a video in late January. So 2 new videos, 2 new singles will be released very soon. So I'm excited about that. So get your coins ready, your 99 cents, your 10.99, whatever it is. Get it ready because I'm going to take you guys on an experience that you will forever remember. So I'm excited to, be back on YouTube. I'm excited to be putting myself out there again and connecting back and forth with you guys. And to be very honest with you, I've been working overnight. I just got a job about 2 weeks ago. And I've just been working hard. I've been working overnight every day, and it's been very, very draining. But I've been enjoying my life, the times that I do have. And I thank God, my Heavenly Father, for giving me this job, because everything you want is not always going to be granted. And I'm very aware of that. So with everything that I'm experiencing, everything that is working for me, I'm very blessed. I'm very thankful, and I'm very appreciated. So if it's something that, you know, just happened in your life, whether it was the smallest thing, be very appreciative, because those small things will turn into bigger doors in your future. And I promise you that is so true, because every time that I be grateful for those little things that I get, and every time that I be grateful for those small things people do for me, something always greater happens. And I love you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Stay true to yourself. Love who you are first before you let someone else love you. That's so true, and I'm being as honest as I can be. You determine your destiny. There's no one that can stop you or discourage you. You only discourage yourself when you let others enter your journey. Y'all have a blessed day. Be safe. I love y'all, and be on the lookout for new videos. Alright? Peace. And yes, I hit my arm on this.